And once you unplug the headlight, the bat wing is off. Alright, so in this particular episode we're going to go ahead and pull the bat wing fairing off of the 2021 Street Glide Special. You need one Torx T27. You've got basically 1, 2, 3 bolts on the windshield to pull, and you've got 2 bolts on the right and the left side. So you've got one right here, and you've got the other one right here, and you've got the same thing on the left side. Start with the windshield area first. I will use the middle one as I get done with the windshield trim. Once I get it off, I am going to take and put this middle bolt back into play, and it's going to kind of hold the fairing in place while I'm down on the inside of it, moving those other 4 bolts. This would also be a good time to go ahead and grab you a rag, a towel, fender cover, and go ahead and cover up the front fender. Alright, so we'll pull the trim, and I'm just going to go ahead and slip this back into play here. And like I said, when I pull the other bolts out on the right and left side, this will make sure that it doesn't shift forward on me and fall. And while I'm using a T-head, it doesn't really matter if you had a socket, and I actually do. The T-handle actually makes pretty short work of the bottom ones. Back up. We will pull the center bolt, and then we're going to pull straight back on the fairing and come straight off. They are still going to be tethered by the plug to the headlight. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of light down in here. And once you unplug the headlight, the bat wing is off.
Hopefully this showed you how easy it is to remove the fairing on your bike. Appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ride safe, and we'll catch you next time.